In today's tutorial, I propose you Easter egg with bluebirds. In the picture you can see the final result. I'm using styrofoam eggs. You can smooth it with sandpaper. I used white acrylic paint. I wanted to create a beautiful color, so I mixed acrylics. This is a rice paper. It is better not to use scissors, just tear it. I'm using decoupage glue. I'm using blending gel and acrylics. Blending gel helps you make a beautiful shadow. You only need one drop. The egg needs to be varnished. I used matte varnish to paint the whole egg. Next I used glossy varnish. I only painted the part with birds. Now I'm using contour liner. I'm using jewelry elements. In my opinion, it looks sophisticated. You can use any other elements you like. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.